welcome back. If you've ever wanted to experience a taste of America all under one roof, we found it. And as you might expect, this hotspot offers the ultimate game watching experience, along with some amazing food to boot. You'll need three things before you'll walk into Lambeau's America in Highland Village. A big appetite. Oh, wow. It looks a lot bigger all finished up. A love of football.
It's my favorite place to come watch sports and hang out and have beer.
And the all-American pride your Texas heart can hold.
You're going to see very much of an American theme. So the name Lambeau's America, this was his America, his opportunity to live the American dreams.
Owner Jim Burforth is talking about Curly Lambeau, the legend who founded a little rec team in 1919 called the Green Bay Packers. 2 years later, they joined the NFL.
Curly Lambeau goes on and spends the next 35 years of his life living the American dream.
And the American dream really is what Lambeau's is about, isn't it?
It is.
Lambeau's is a larger-than-life tribute to the bootstrappers who roared through the 1920s and 30s to make America the greatest place on earth.
They were building the Hoover Dam, the Empire State Building, the Golden Gate Bridge. Charles Lindbergh was flying. It was unbelievable what was going on in America.
To honor those hardworking immigrants and the food they brought with them, Lambeau's menu is a culinary tour across the land of opportunity.
It's pretty cool. Yeah, like the menu is named after all the different football cities, and it's a fun place to be.
Tennessee hot fried chicken with a sensational sweet and spicy glaze.
About everything that I've had here has been fantastic.
Baltimore, Maryland-style crab cakes, doused with a white wine butter sauce and 2 jumbo fried shrimp. Delish. Tampa Bay fish and chips with addictive, homemade curly fries.
So good. It's really good.
Lambeau's is the result of Jim's own American dream. He was a line cook at 16 when a manager noticed his talent.
A manager goes, "Hey, you're really good at this." I go, "I am?"
He took it to heart and applied to the Culinary Institute of America.
I get in and the rest is history, I guess, and I just loved it, and that's probably how I got to be successful because, you know, they say when you love what you do, it's not that big a deal anymore, right?
You'll notice Jim's passion for food in every bite. You have a meatloaf unlike any other I've ever seen.
Oh, the smoked meatloaf with the mac and cheese, we're smoking it, topping with the bacon, and making like an ancho chili sauce that goes on top of it. So it's mom's meatloaf, but turned up a notch or two.
Wow, that's amazing. But the fan favorite is the Dallas chicken fried steak, covered in bacon fat gravy.
Oh, that is freaking phenomenal.
All right, show us. We're making a very famous chicken fried steak.
That's right.
Famous because it's not like all the other chicken fried steak across Texas,
That's right. So our chicken fried steak's got unique flavor.
That unique flavor comes from a secret blend of cayenne pepper, New Orleans spices, cracked black pepper, garlic, and more.
It's a little spicy, but it blends in really well with the beer batter.
Yeah, and you don't see this kind of combination on many chicken fried steaks.
Typically you don't.
And there's a reason for the spice, right?
That's right. Well, you know, whenever you eat something spicy, you call in for another beer.
Okay. Dust it, dunk it, then fry it up.
All right, and typically we finish with a little bit of the seasoning that we use on the beginning.
Ah.
So look at that.
To make you thirsty.
There you have it. That's it.
Layer on that bacon fat gravy and dig in. Mmm. That's fantastic. And it's so nice and crispy, and that steak is just fork tender.
Absolutely.
It's fabulous. You know what we
Absolutely.
need now?
Couple of beers, right?
You got it.
Yeah, all right.
All right, let's do it. Maybe you don't have to love football to love Lambeau's, but it doesn't hurt. What is it like when the Packers play the Cowboys?
That's a really fun day.
Is this the place to be?
That's a really fun day. We have a tremendous amount of Cowboys fans. The only thing they look at me cross-eyed about is when they ask for the Wi-Fi code, it's Go Pack Go. Sorry, they only have to key it in once. It's Go Pack Go.
It doesn't matter who you're rooting for. you love the red, white, and blue, you'll fit right in at Lambeau's.